Another derivative of hydrocarbons is alcohols. Let's talk about alcohols a little bit. Uh, this is the simplest hydrocarbon called methane. If we replace one of the hydrogen atoms with OH group, the hydroxyl group, we can get an alcohol. This is an alcohol. Just like alkyl halides, alcohols can be divided into primary alcohol, secondary alcohol, and tertiary alcohol. Uh, Primary alcohol means the alcohol molecule in which the OH group is attached to primary carbon atom. Secondary alcohol means the alcohol molecule in which the OH group is attached to the secondary carbon atom. And tertiary alcohol means the alcohol molecule in which the OH group is attached to the tertiary carbon atom. Let's talk about this again. Uh, this is a molecule of primary alcohol because this carbon atom to which the hydroxyl group is attached is primary carbon atom. It is called primary carbon atom because it is attached only to one carbon atom. This is the molecule of secondary alcohol. In this molecule, the hydroxyl group is attached to the secondary carbon atom. This carbon atom is in turn attached to two other carbon atoms directly, so it is called secondary carbon atom. This is a molecule of tertiary alcohol. In this molecule, the OH group is attached to tertiary carbon atom. This carbon atom is attached to three other carbon atoms directly. This is how alcohols are classified into primary, secondary, and tertiary alcohol. So these are the derivatives of hydrocarbons. They can be obtained from hydrocarbons by replacing one of the hydrogen atoms with any other atom or a group of atom. So we can get a whole variety of compounds. We can have alkyl halides, we can have alcohols, we can have aldehydes, we can have ketones, we can have carboxylic acids. We are going to discuss each category a little bit so that we can have an idea about different kinds of organic compounds, whether they're simple hydrocarbons or the derivatives of hydrocarbons. So let me summarize this lesson. Organic compounds are classified into two major classes: hydrocarbons and derivatives. Hydrocarbons are those compounds that consist of carbon and hydrogen only. There is no other atom. They are only compounds of carbon and hydrogen. As you know, they exist in the form of long chains. The main skeleton is formed by the carbon atoms, and hydrogen atoms are attached to the carbon atoms to satisfy their valency. So hydrocarbons can be classified into alkanes, alkenes, alkynes, and benzene. Alkanes, alkenes, and alkynes have their cyclo counterparts such as cycloalkanes, cycloalkenes, and cycloalkynes. And on the other hand, we have the derivatives of organic compounds. These derivatives are compounds that are obtained from hydrocarbons by making little changes in their structure or in their composition. For example, if we replace one of the hydrogen atoms from here in methane, it can be replaced by any other atom or group of atoms. For example, it can be replaced by chlorine. That will give rise to a different class of organic compounds called alkyl halides. If it is replaced by hydroxyl group, then it will give rise to a totally different class of organic compounds called alcohols. These compounds have completely different physical and chemical properties. They are not like their parent compounds. They are totally different. So alkyl halides are obtained from alkanes. If we replace one hydrogen atom of alkanes with chlorine, we can get chloromethane. These compounds can be classified into primary, secondary, and tertiary, and this thing is based on the type of carbon atom to which these functional groups are directly attached. If the halide ion is attached to primary carbon atom, that will give rise to primary alkyl halide. If the halide ion is attached to secondary carbon atom, that will give rise to secondary alkyl halide. If the halide ion is attached to tertiary carbon atom, that will give rise to tertiary carbon atom.